So you want to start on the keto diet? Interesting. It is supposed to be the weight loss diet, the anti-craving diet. But have you thought about the side effects? I did the keto diet for 4 weeks 3 months ago, and I had 6 major side effects I want to share with you. Let me first tell you about what the keto diet is, some of the benefits, and then we're gonna get into the interesting stuff.
What is the keto diet? It's a diet that is very low in carbs, high in fat, and high in protein. How much of each should you eat? First, it should consist of 75% fat, the other 5% carbohydrates, and the last 20% of protein. The main reason people begin this diet is because of the weight loss benefits. After some time, diminish your cravings. And lastly, you can check Google for the last benefits. Because, yeah, okay, we get it. Because today we're gonna focus on the side effects.
We are going to talk about the side effects now. Number 1, diarrhea attack. You will start to notice that you can't be away from the toilet. You're not getting as many whole grain products like whole grain pastas, brown rice, and fruits, which are high in fiber. So that means that you're going to be on the toilet very often. If you plan on going on fishing trips, remember to bring this, and you're gonna use it if you're far away from a toilet. Just be smartest as Lennox here. Wear a diaper on you. Joke. Don't do that. That's just weird. We are back home again. The little champ, he didn't want to ride his bike anymore, so I had to carry him all the way home with his bike. Thank God I have started weightlifting again. But let's go inside and talk about the keto flu. It's very common that the first week or the second week that you get hit with the so-called keto flu. This is also called the carb flu because your body is going from using glycogen as an energy source to now using fat through this so-called ketosis. So this is very normal. This flu will go away it depends on the person. It could be for up to 1 week, and for more severe cases up to 1 month. And that really sucks. Number 3, you're gonna have a breath like a dog. Your body odor is gonna smell like a donkey. For some weird reason, the first couple of weeks when you start, you tend to have this really bad breath. And also, your body odor, it gets so much worse the first couple of weeks. It will pass, but it's just so weird. And to that, I can only recommend brush your teeth more often, use sugar-free gum, and take some more baths. And don't use the same t-shirt twice. Don't do it, cuz. Number 4, I experienced low energy and low motivation. And that is because the first couple of weeks, it is pretty normal that you experience this low energy, like you are lethargic, you want to sleep all the time. Just eat enough fat. It will help. But if this continues too long, you should really consider maybe a different diet. Number 5, hair loss. This is 3 months ago. After a shower, I wanted to make a hairstyle with some gel. After I made the hairstyle, I was looking down on my hands and there was so much hair loss, and I was shocked. I was just looking up in the mirror just to see if I had any hair left. And this face does not look good with a bald head. Look, I want to keep this hair as long as possible, man. So I was really shocked and afraid. I had researched that on Google, and many people experience the same thing, and it will go away in some time. This diet is extremely low in fruits, vegetables and grains, whole wheat products that are generally thought as really nutritious food, and you're gonna miss out on many vitamins and minerals, which are causing a lot of the side effects. You really gotta make sure that you are supplementing with the vitamins and minerals. So keep that in mind. That is very important. Look who just woke up. Nammy 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 nam. And now he's hungry. Let's carry on. Number 6. For me, it was really hard on cheat days because I'm the biggest fan of candy. You know, the sour ones and the gummy bears. Oh my god, those 4 weeks was torture for me. You gotta remember, cake, a lot of chocolate, all those sweets has a lot of carbohydrates in it. It will be difficult, and for me it was torture. Maybe you are different, but for me, I couldn't live without my gummy bears. And to finish up this video, I just gotta say, the best diet for you is the one that fits your lifestyle, that you actually enjoy, and most importantly, that you are consistent with. Especially this diet is really important, that you give your body the vitamins and minerals it needs. So do a lot of research first. The key is to get into ketosis and to stay in there. If you're only doing this for a short period of time, you will gain all the weight back and all the benefits will go away again. So consistency is key. What? And if you are on the diet and you like it or have some experience with it, share your knowledge in the comment section. If you want some more fitness and health tips just like this one, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you always get updated when I release some new videos. That's all I gotta say. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Boom! He doesn't care with this video. He just wants some food. Take care and see you next time.